Over 800 vulnerable people have benefited with Ramadan packages in Jibia local government area. The food items were provided by Sadaukin Jibia Support Foundation to assist the vulnerable people to observe the Ramadan fast with relative ease. The presentation of the food items was held at Musa Mota Primary School in Jibia town. The food items distributed include 10 kg bags of rice and maize to the beneficiaries. The Sadaukin Jibia Foundation was initiated by Alhaji Muhammad Halliru to render various humanitarian services to underprivileged people in the area. Speaking at the occasion, the chairman of the foundation, Alhaji Yunus Halliru, said the foundation was established to assist women and youth and other vulnerable people to feel a sense of belonging. Alhaji Yunus Halliru spoke on the activities of the foundation in the areas of education, health, as well as supporting masjids and Islamia schools, among others. The chairman said the foundation is currently constructing a masjid at Jibia Babba, which will cost over 20 million naira as part of its contribution to the development of Islamic activities. In their separate remarks, the chairman-elect of Jibia local government, Alhaji Suraj Ado, and the representative of the chairman of the local council, Alhaji Lawal Zubairu, commended the Sadaukin Jibia Foundation for the Ramadan gesture. They all call for other NGOs to emulate the foundation for the overall development of the society. Other speakers at the occasion include the former Commissioner of Special Duties, Alhaji Bashir Abdullahi Dangonte, and sarkin Arewan katsina Alhaji Rabi Rabi'u, who all applauded the establishment of the foundation for humanitarian services and assured their continued support to such foundation for more development. Highlights of the occasion include presentation of award to the founder of the foundation by one Hajia Fatima Muhammad over his contribution and support to humanity, especially women. That ends the report.